Hello friends, welcome to Ham Token from Hamburg City. Ham Token is based on the smart chain, which is only 50 million. Currently, the cryptocurrency era is fast approaching. Its communication technology is being further upgraded in the future. The latest technology is being used in Ham Token because it is a virtual currency created by means of cryptography. Who works on blockchain technology? This network is designed to run smart, contract-based applications. Binance Smart Chain, BSC, is a decentralized blockchain which allows users to get the best out of both. BSC communication capabilities are very fast and Binance Smart Chain contract functionality is very advanced. It's transactions via a peer-to-peer network which is very safe and transparent. We can keep it in a decentralized wallet. There is no monthly or annual expense. One of the characteristics of cryptocurrency is that it is not controlled by a single person, nor does it have any central authority. This technique is fully decentralized. Ham is offering huge profits in staking offers, the details of which are as follows. Staking program. First, get 5% monthly dividend on staking for 3 months. Second, get 7.5 monthly dividend on staking for 6 months. Third, get 10% monthly dividend on staking for 12 months. From this, we can infer that ham prices may increase in the future. Be glad to know that. Ham's development team is already working on a DeFi, decentralized finance project. Many corporations are investing in ham projects. This is likely to increase the price of ham tokens. Soon, you will see ham on the top ranking exchanges of the coin market cap. Exchanges like BankSex, Bitmart, Gate.io, AZBit, and Probit have started listing. So why delay? Join ham soon and make your future golden. And thanks for watching this video.